bite-sized buttery mushrooms stuffed with creamy goat cheese and crunchy glazed pecans. Aloha, it's Chef Rebekah from Foodland, and in this video, we're going to be making Maika'i Glazed Pecan stuffed mushrooms. This side dish is made with just 5 ingredients, and it's perfect for the holidays. Let's jump right into our recipe. To make this Foodland 5 recipe, the ingredients you'll need are 1.5 pounds of baby portabella mushrooms, 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Today I'm using our Maika'i olive oil. 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic. We're using our Maika'i peeled garlic, which can be found at our neighborhood Foodland. 1/2 cup of Maika'i glazed pecans. Also for this recipe, you'll need to reserve 25 whole pieces. 1 tablespoon of fresh sage, 8 ounces of goat cheese, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. First, we're going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees. While the oven preheats, we'll prep our mushrooms by carefully breaking off the stems. You can discard any of those tough stems. Next, we'll chop them into tiny pieces. Here, I'm adding olive oil to my skillet that's been heating up over medium-high heat. Add the garlic, mushroom stems, pecans, and sage. Let this cook for about 5 minutes or until everything has softened. In a medium-sized bowl, mix together the mushroom stem mixture, goat cheese, salt, and black pepper. Personally, I love goat cheese, but if it's not your thing, you can use cream cheese or look up for a cheese that's soft and spreadable, like ricotta. Next, we'll place the mushroom caps on a large baking sheet. Working with 1 mushroom at a time, brush the insides and outsides of the mushroom with olive oil and stuff with 1 teaspoon of the filling. Place in the oven and bake for 20 minutes. You'll know it's ready because the cheese turns a nice golden brown. Before I finish up our stuffed mushrooms, I want to mention, if you're looking for more mealtime solutions or interested in learning how to cook local style recipes, visit us at foodland.com. Once the mushrooms are cooked, top with a whole Maika'i glazed pecan. Here we have our Maika'i glazed pecan stuffed mushrooms. It's an easy appetizer or simple side dish for the holiday season or any get-together. It's got a nice creaminess from the goat cheese and a hint of sweetness from the glazed pecans. This recipe is a great base for any stuffed mushroom. You could add imitation crab or spinach artichoke. Just have fun with this dish. If you have any questions about this recipe or cooking in general, send us an email at chefs@foodland.com. You can find ingredients to make this dish at your neighborhood Foodland. And to get this recipe, visit us at foodland.com.